Good morning, kids. I hope you all are doing your study very well and regularly. Okay? So, kids, today we will learn and know more about daily routine. आज हम डेली रूटीन के बारे में उसके समय के बारे में जानेंगे और सीखेंगे. ओके? कि हम कौन से समय पर कौन सी एक्टिविटी करते हैं. ओके? Daily routine. As you already familiar with it, daily routine is the usual series of everyday activities that you do at a particular time in a fixed order. डेली रूटीन दिनचर्या हमारे द्वारा किए जाने वाले कार्यों की एक ऐसी श्रृंखला है, एक ऐसी कड़ी है जिनको हम पर्टिकुलर टाइम और फिक्स्ड ऑर्डर में करते हैं, सही समय पर सही तरीके से करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, देन वी wash our face, then we brush our teeth, then take a shower, get dressed, take our breakfast, then go to school, then we do our study in the school, we do our lunch in the noon time, then we come again to our home, we come to home in the afternoon time, then we do our school homework, then in the night time we do our dinner, we have dinner, and after that at last we go to bed. So kids, these are all are the daily routine activities which we do in a sequence, in a proper manner. Okay? Because all these activities we do on proper time. Okay? These activities, in these activities, some activities are there that can't be skipped by us. हम इन सभी कार्यों में कुछ कार्य ऐसे हैं जिनको हम रिपीटेडली रोज करते हैं. ओके? और उनको हम स्किप कर ही नहीं सकते, छोड़ ही नहीं सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके? एंड वी bath every day, we do our breakfast, we do our lunch. Okay? We sleep in the night. Okay? And other activities also we can't skip them. Okay? So today we will learn about the time of daily routine, कि कौन सा एक्टिविटी हम कब करते हैं और उस टाइम कौन सा समय होता है, कौन सा टाइम होता है. ओके? So let's do it. You can see here some pictures. Okay? These pictures are based on the time. Okay? So first picture is based on morning time. You can see here the sun is going to rise from the clouds in the sky. So this is sunrise time also. Second picture is based on noon time. The sun is ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द ट्री. ओके? आपने भी देखा होगा दोपहर के समय सन बिल्कुल टॉप पर रहता है और उस समय बहुत गर्मी हीट होती है, सन रेज बहुत शार्प होती है. सो दिस इज़ नून टाइम. एट नून टाइम वी डू आवर लंच. एंड नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टरनून टाइम. दिस इज द टाइम आफ्टर नून. यू कैन सी हियर आर टू वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट इज आफ्टर एंड सेकेंड इज नून. ओके? सो दिस इज आफ्टरनून टाइम. ओके? मतलब नून के आफ्टर का समय, दोपहर के बाद का समय, आफ्टरनून टाइम. ओके? नेक्स्ट इज इवनिंग सनसेट टाइम. शाम का समय, दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सनसेट टाइम बिकॉज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर द सन इज गोइंग टू सेट इन द स्काई. सो दिस इज सनसेट टाइम. एंड लास्ट इज नाइट टाइम. यू कैन सी हियर the moon and some stars are there. Okay? So this is night time. At night we do our dinner and go to bed. Now kids, see this picture and try to identify the time. Which time picture is this? Okay? Morning time, evening time, night time. Can you tell me? You can see here the sun is going to rise. Okay, here are some clouds. Okay, you can see here some white color and clouds, and here is the sky. Now sun is going to rise. Okay, sun निकल रहा है, so this is the time of sunrise, that is morning time. Okay, and these are the activities you do every day in the morning time. You can see here: wake up, wash face, you wash your face, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, take breakfast and go to bed. Go to school. Next is this picture. You can see here the sun is on the top of the tree. Okay, so this is noon time picture. We have lunch at this time. Okay, next picture is this. Can you guess this? Which time is this? आपने सबने देखा है आपने कि सन है दोपहर के बाद में थोड़ा नीचे आ जाता है. ओके, और जो उसकी हीट है वो भी कम हो जाती है. दैट इज़ नॉट प्रॉपर इवनिंग टाइम, बट वो नून के बाद का समय होता है, आफ्टर नून. ओके, यू कैन गेट दिस आंसर बाय माई वर्ड्स, आफ्टर the time of noon, that is yes, afternoon time. Okay, you come to home, you come back home from your school, you do your homework at your home. Okay, so this is afternoon time. Now kids, look this picture. You can see here some birds are flying in the sky and they are again going to their home. They are returning their home. आपने देखा होगा आकाश में पक्षी उड़ते हुए वापस घर को लौटते हैं. What time is that? Evening time. Okay, in this time birds flying in the sky and they are going to their home. The sun going to set in the sky. This is the proper time of sunset. Okay, the sun is going to set in the sky. Next is this picture. You can see here the moon is there and some stars around this. Okay, around it. This is the time of you go to bed, night time. Very good. This is night time picture. Okay, so kids, at that time, at night time, you do your dinner and go to bed. This is the last activity of your whole day. Okay, your daily routine. Go to bed. Now these are the series of the time of your daily activities. First is morning time, third is flying birds go to their home, second is noon time, second is noon time, and third is flying birds go to their home, fourth is sunset, evening time, and last is night time. You do your all daily routine activities on that time. Okay, next on in this page one activity is given here, time and daily routine. This activity is based on time of your daily routine. So read the sentence of column 1 and try to give the answer. Okay, first activity is I wake up. When you wake up, children? You know it. You all wake up early in the morning. Very good. You wake up early in the morning. So your answer is morning. I take my lunch. When you take your lunch? Which time? Noon. Very good. You take your lunch at noon time. I come back to home. You come from your school to home. When? When your school is over, you come to your home. What time is that? Noon or afternoon? Afternoon. Very good. This is afternoon and I have dinner. Dinner कब लेते हैं आप? ओके, ब्रेकफास्ट मॉर्निंग को होता है, जो अपना लंच होता है वो नून को होता है, दोपहर को होता है, एंड डिनर कब होता है? नाइट. वेरी गुड. यू टेक योर डिनर एट नाइट. बर्ड्स गो टू देयर होम इन द इवनिंग and the sun rises in the sky in the morning. Very good. Okay, you are good job. You have done very good job. Okay, so kids, today we have learned about it. So this is homework for you. So do this at your home. Okay, and I hope you have learned. You will be able to express and tell about your daily routine to others. Okay, I hope you will be able to express your views about your daily routine to others. Okay, so keep learning, keep smiling, and have a nice day. Thank you.